Welcome to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Investor360 account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Investor360 login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide a login ID and your password. So go ahead and enter your login ID. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to reset it. And if you are having a problem with your login ID, you can contact a professional for help. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.